Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about a really good deal that's available at Walgreens right now. We have the Old Spice products that are on sale right now, two for $11. If you buy three, including a select oral care item, then you'll end up getting an $8 Walgreens cash back. So what I did was I got two for 11, one for 5.50. I got the toothbrush for $3, but I had a $1 off CRT for that. Then I had a $5 off of the three Old Spice CRT, which was amazing. So this was one transaction that I did together with the three Old Spice and the Oral-B toothbrush. Everything came up to $15.50. I received $8.27 back in Walgreens cash. So that's the amount that I earned this visit. And on top of that, I received an 8 off of 35 spin booster. That's good for a week, as well as a 20% off of your next purchase of $10 or more regular priced items. Now, the spin booster is not on regular priced items, so keep that in mind. It's a very good spin booster. So we love Catalina's. Now, I just want to say that this deal was really amazing because I ended up getting all items in this deal, especially if you consider the Old Spice body wash. Getting Old Spice body wash for roughly $1.70 some odd cents each is a very good deal. I would recommend doing this. I do believe you could do the deal more than once. Some people are doing it with the Old Spice deodorant. I personally just wanted to try the body wash for my husband. I'm sure he's going to love it. And on to my next purchase. These all laundry detergents are on sale for $2.99 each. There is a 150 off of any Snuggle product CRT that's in the Super Saver. We just got it 2 days ago. And all Snuggle products are also the same. So you can actually use Snuggle CRTs for all products as long as it says off of any item on the CRT. So I ended up getting these for $1.49 a piece, which is a great deal for laundry detergent. I really had a really good experience at Walgreens today. I made a spin booster that I can use on a larger purchase, probably get some household items with that. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick deal because this is really cheap body wash. And Old Spice is a pretty good brand. It has odor guard, and you can always use laundry detergent. You can never have enough hygiene items and laundry detergent. So I would recommend that you run, as well as check out some of their clearance Revlon items. There are some really big CRTs on Revlon this week. I actually did a deal. I'll probably post up another video if I have some time, where I got two Revlon lipsticks for $4.79 a piece. I got $9 off of two, got them for free, and I received a $5 register reward. So anytime you do the Revlon deal, you receive a $5 register reward. The two CRTs that I had on my account was I had a $9 off of two and a $7 off of two. And this also includes the Almay products, but I would look at the clearance Revlon instead. I don't want to go too much into that. Don't have the products up. Thank you for watching. And please run to Walgreens. Check out the clearance cosmetics. Those are money makers. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.